Hey.
I'm not doing nothing, sir.
Get on the wall.
What are you fucking with for?
Put it out. He has a gun. Put it out.
I don't got no
back
gun.
up. Get on the wall. Do not reach for it. Back up. Back up. Get on the wall. Get on the fucking wall. You got a gun. Get on the wall. Don't reach for it. Don't reach for it. Don't reach for it. 2X19. Hold there. He's walking away. Has a gun in his hoodie. Male black. 5'7", wearing black over black hoodie, walking southbound on Bixel and 7th. Have units respond southbound Bixel. Get on the wall. You got a fucking gun. Get on the wall. Yes, you do. I see it. Get on the wall. Walker, get over here. Get on the wall. Do not reach for it. You're going to get shot. You're going to get shot. 19, he's running southbound, has the gun, he's reaching for it. He's running southbound towards 8th. Let me get an airship. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Get on the fucking wall! Don't reach for it! He has it in his pocket. Don't fucking reach for it. You're gonna get a fucking shot. Do not.
I'll send you 12 shots fired. We're at the corner of the 110 and Bixel. Suspect is on 4 black. I'm able to see him. Hey, get cover.
Get cover.
Here.
Shots fired. Based on no call sign, assault 76.
Has the gun, he's reaching for it. He's running southbound towards 8. Let me get a airship.
Yeah, he's got it in his hand.
The suspect has a gun in his hood and sweatshirt.
He's got it in his fucking hand.
Down, forward.
Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun, motherfucker! Drop the fucking gun!
Get on the fucking wall.
Get on the fucking gun!
Yes,
Don't fucking reach.
Don't fucking reach.
Don't fucking reach for it, motherfucker!
Shot. Do not.
I'm gonna back up to cover, bro. Let's back up.
Put your hands down.
Your hands and you will be shot.
You want to go from this side right here? Let me grab them and drag them out. Okay. Keep your hands. We're going to go in front of you, partner.
Hands on team. Put the hands and pull them away. Pull them out. Pull them out. Handcuff right there. That's good. He's cuffed. Good pat down for weapons.
1250, come on.
Hey guys, right here. Right here. Firearm.
Okay, it's hiding on that little guy right there. Okay. So, that's not your job, Romero.
What's that?
It's not your job.
Okay.
Right here. Okay. And your partner is Luis, right?
Yeah, I'm alone.
Alright, I'll get him over here to relieve you. Oh. So both of you guys work together. One person is always here with this.
Right hands here.
Until it's recovered.
That's good.
So it's still loaded. There's a magazine in it.
Right hands here.
Cisco.